Yes. So as we revise, kindly take down that. Children, have you all done your quiz in Google Form? Have you all done the quiz in Google Form? Very good, very good. Yes. So it carries mark. I think you know that. So I want every one of you to attempt it. Very good, Trinity. Very good. So I want every one of you to attempt it. Everyone should do it. Okay. Yes. Now we can revise. I think very soon you will be having. Okay, Afzal, you can do it today. No problem. I am going to give my see it. Enter the marks only on Wednesday. I'll give you today one more day. Okay. Yes. You will be getting the cycle test timetable and portions very soon, so we can be ready to face the cycle test. Okay, to do it in a very good manner. Yes, we can have topic by topic revision and the book back objectives revision. Okay, so first one. So you have to say me the correct answer. Dash is an example of traditional method. Yes, I think so. Okay. Dash is the example of traditional method of irrigation. So I'll give you four options. Very good, Salvia and Sanjana. Basin, moat, sprinkler, and dip. So moat is the correct answer. Very good. So what about basin, sprinkler, and drip irrigation? What about that? Why it is not the correct? Page number 24. Why basin, sprinkler, and drip, or why didn't you choose that? What is wrong in that? What about the basin, sprinkler, and drip? Yes, Sanjana, very good. They are the modern method. Very good, Sanjana. So, moat is a traditional method, and all the other three belong to modern method of irrigation. So, basin, sprinkler, and drip. I repeat once again: basin, sprinkler, drip, and you can even add furrow. These are the modern methods of irrigation. Okay. Have you noted down? Have you noted down the answer? Okay. Second question. Transfer of seedlings. Transfer of seedlings from nursery to main field is called. Very good, Salvia, Trinity, and transfer of seedlings. Seedlings. What are seedlings? Small plants that come out of the seed are called seedlings. Very small, tender plants. They are called seedlings. Okay. So yes, we transfer them in a proper way, in a main field, in a very big field. We'll use some gap between them to get proper sunlight, water, and nutrients. No, that is transplantation. Afzal, first question is, dash is an example of traditional method of irrigation. So, moat is the answer. Okay, second question. Transfer of seedling from the nursery to the main field is called transplantation. Okay, what about the remaining thing? Sowing, weeding, and broadcasting. What are they? Sowing, weeding, and broadcasting. What are they? They are the, so what is sowing, weeding, and broadcasting? What are they? Very late, Janas. Very late. See, sowing, weeding, and broadcasting are the agricultural practices. They are the agricultural practices. Okay. Third question. Animals used to operate agricultural implements. Very good, Trinity. They are the bullocks. We cannot use dogs, sheep, and donkeys. Isn't it? Yes, Janas. Try to come to the class on time. Okay. Darshini, you're also late, I think. Come to the class on time. Yes, bullocks are used to work in the farm. Okay, bullock is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Fourth question. Manual sewing is also called as very good, Salvia. Broadcasting. Manual sewing is also called as broadcasting. Okay. So again, winnowing, tilling, and leveling are the agricultural practices. Okay, they are the agricultural practices. Okay. So winnowing, tilling, leveling are the agricultural practices, and broadcasting is called as manual sewing. Have you all taken down? Yes. Now, fifth question. The traditional tool to sow seed. Yes, very good. It is a funnel. It is a funnel. They used to fix the funnel in the tractor, and they used to have one reservoir of seeds. Okay, the seeds will automatically go into the funnel, and the funnel will lead to the furrows where the seeds will be sown. Okay, very good. It is the funnel. So have you all taken down all the 5? Choose the correct answers. Everyone has taken down. Why, Caleb? Why, Caleb? Have you marked down the answers? Caleb? Okay. Shall we pass on to fill in the blanks now? Shall we pass on to fill in the blanks? Everyone is ready? Yes. First question. NPK. Very good. Salve has summed up all. Very good. Yes, Trinity. NPK. Capital N stands for nitrogen. Capital P stands for phosphorus. And capital K stands for potassium. Don't think why they didn't give P for potassium. Okay. The molecular formula, okay, is the K. Okay. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and K stands for potassium. Okay, the chemical that K denotes potassium. Okay. Yes. Second question. Weedicides are chemicals used to kill. What are weedicides? Yes, Salvia. They used to kill weeds. Very good. So Trinity, Salvia, Sanjana are answering again and again. Why? What happened to others? Okay, Dhanumali and Sasangri are also answering. Pugalenthi. Okay. Yes, Pugalenthi, they are the unwanted plants. Yes. So weedicides are chemicals used to kill. Very good, Swaminathan. It is weed. Very good. Now, third one. So, yesterday I gave you one question. Lumps of soil are called dash. What is the answer? Clods. Very good, Trinity. Lumps of soil are called as clods. So, here the question is, they are broken with the help of dash. They are broken. Lumps of soil are broken with the help of dash. Answer is iron leveler. Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron leveler. L-E-V-E-L-L-E-R. Leveler. Iron. Yes, Giona. Very good. Iron leveler. Very good. Now, fourth question. A dash is used for weeding. So, you can take that implements used for agriculture and you can check the answer. A dash is used for weeding. So, for weeding, no, he came across few equipments. What are they? For weeding, hoe and kurpa. Okay. Even harrow. Okay. So, you can use any one of that. Kurpa, hoe, or a harrow. You can use any one, okay, for weeding. I think even trowel is also used for weeding. Trowel. Okay, so harrow, hoe, and kripa are used for weeding. Okay. Yes, next question. Soil is prepared for cultivating crops. by dash and dash the land. How? Yes, very good, Salvia. By leveling and ploughing. So before sowing, what we do? Before cultivating, what we do? We used to plough the field and level the field. It is a preparation, isn't it? It is how we prepare the field for sowing. Okay? Yes, very good, Dhanamalia. Leveling and ploughing. I hope you got all the 5 answers for filling the blanks. All 5 answers. Everyone has taken down the answer. Everyone. 4th answer. You can write anyone. You can write Ho, Krupa, or Harrow. Okay, you can use anyone. It's not arrow, harrow. Add H. Kupalendi, you have to add H. Okay? Yes. What is your question? What is your what you're asking? What is your doubt? Come again. Come again. 5th one answer, Darshini. Ploughing and leveling. So Salvia is giving all the answers. Why John so late? John ML, why so late? Children, you have to come to the class on time. Otherwise, you will miss lot of informations. You may miss the introductory part. Okay, please come to the class on time. Yes, now true or false? See, if it is false, should give me the reason also. Be ready to give me the reason. Okay. Excess of water in the soil inhibits the process of germination. So, Trinity, it is true. I told you, no, excess of water will clog the root and they will not allow the roots to respire. They cannot breathe. Okay, it is true, Trinity. So, when there is excess of water, the roots cannot breathe. So, that is the seed cannot breathe. Okay, it inhibits the process of germination. Okay. Yes, second question. Food grains can be safely stored immediately after threshing. Can we store the grains immediately after threshing? Is it true? Immediately after threshing. Yes, very good, Trinity Pukaleni. It is false. Can you say why it is false? Your answer is correct. Can you say why it is false? Why can't we store it immediately after threshing? What should we do before storing the grains? Very good, Sanjana. Winnowing as well as even after winnowing, we cannot store the grains. Yes. What is the process, Trinity? You are correct. After threshing, we cannot store the grain. Even after winnowing, we cannot store the grain. After winnowing, what should be done before storing? We have 2 more process. What are they? We had children. I think you didn't understand my question. See, we have harvested the grains. We have threshed it. We have removed it. No, Sanjana. We have removed the grains from the stalk crops. That is called threshing. What is threshing? It's nothing but removal of the grains from the stalk is called threshing. Okay. So after threshing the grains, we used to, yes, Harish, that is threshing. Removing the grains from the crop is threshing. Okay. So after threshing, what we do? We used to winnow the grains to remove the dust particles. Okay, we used to winnow the grains to remove the dust particles. Now the grains are there. Okay, but Even after doing this, we cannot store it. What we have to do? The grains have lot of moisture content. If we store it, they may decay, they may sprout. Yes, Fazil, you are correct. They may sprout or they may decompose. They may be destroyed by fungal or any bacteria. So before storing, what we do? We have to remove the moisture in the grains. So what we have to do? Let me see who is saying that word. So after, no Fazil, no. After winnowing, yes, you're correct, Harish. They may be destroyed by fungus or bacteria. So what we have to do before storing the grains? What we have to do? We have to dry them. We have to dry the grains. Okay. When we dry the grains, they lose the moisture content. Sometimes they also send some spray, some smoke to remove the moisture content. Then only we can store it. Otherwise, they may sprout. They may be destroyed by the fungal or bacteria. They may decay and decompose. So many problems are there. So, before storing, we have to dry them. They will send some smoke to remove the moisture. Clear? The answer is false. You are correct. Okay. Now, what is the third one? Manure is nutrient specific. Manure is nutrient specific. False. Yes, very good. Very good. It is false. Fertilizers are nutrient specific. We can go and buy nitrogen fertilizer, phosphorus fertilizer, potassium fertilizer, but we cannot buy potassium manure, phosphorus manure, nitrogen manure. There is no such manure. Manure contain all the nutrients. They are not nutrient specific. No, Afzal. No need, Afzal. No need. You will be getting the book. Okay. Yes. Then fourth one, ploughing loosens the soil. Is it true? I let you know, Afzal. Ploughing loosens the soil. It is true. Very good. Somebody said manure doesn't contain NPK. Children, manure contain NPK. Manure contain lot of NPK, not only NPK, many other nutrients also, but they are not specific. We cannot say that manure contains only nitrogen, only phosphorus. Writing only Sheikh Ali, you have to write it. You have to write it, okay? So, Salvia, we can go to the shop and buy, we can go to the fertilizer shop, okay, and buy nitrogen fertilizer, potassium fertilizer, separately, ammonium fertilizer. But we cannot buy nitrogen manure, potassium manure. They're not nutrient specific. They contain all the nutrients. Okay. Now, fifth question. Green manure is obtained from the decomposition of leguminous plants. It is true. So when we say green manure, green denotes the plant. Okay. So green manure denotes the plant material. It contains the leguminous plants. It is true. Okay. So green manure is obtained from the decomposition of leguminous plants. Is it true? It is true. Got it? Got it, children? Okay. Now, very short answers. Very short answers. Okay. Name any two fiber crops. So we have seen many five. Very good, Salvia. Cotton and one more, Salvia. Jute. Very good. Who gave the answer? Jute. I think Trinity. Very good. Cotton, jute. You can even add hemp and coir. Coir is C-O-I-R. Coir is nothing but got from the coconut fibers. Okay, coir. Okay, can have jute, cotton, hemp, Coir. C-O-I-R. Yes, children. These two are the fiber crops. Okay. Yes. Next question. Name the implement used for sowing seed. Sowing seed. Yes. Seed drill. Very good. Seed drill, funnel. Any other implement is there? Any other implement? Okay. Seed drill and funnel. Very good. Very good. Harrow, they use it only for weeding, I think. Okay. Seed drill and funnel are the correct answer. Okay. Third question, what do you understand by a weed? So what is a weed? What is a weed? What is a weed? Third question. What is, yes, very good, very good. Unwanted plant. Many have given the answer, correct answer. Unwanted plants. Very good. Unwanted plants that grow along with the main crop is called a weed. What is a weed? The unwanted plant that grow along with the main crop is called weed. Okay. Yes. Now fourth question. Name one weedicide. We have come across 4 weedicide, I think. Very good, Salvia. Dalapan, Metaclor, 2,4-D and Butaclor. So we have come across 4 weedicides. Okay, we have come across 4 weedicides. So what are the 4 weedicides? So they are Dalapan, 2,4-D, Metaclor and Butaclor. You can write any one if they ask one. Okay. Yes. Fifth question. Which crop is generally grown between 2 crops to restore the fertility of the soil? Very good, Salvia. She is ready with the answer. Yes. Pea, gram, soya bean. Yes. Very good. Pea, gram, soya bean. Groundnut. Okay. Groundnuts also. Okay. Peas, any type of gram, soya bean, groundnut. They are grown in between the crops or after the crop, after the cereals. Okay. To restore the fertility of the soil. Clear? You got all the 5 answers now? You got all the 5 answers? Yes, very good. So I think I have sent the short answers and long answers, and even the one words, I'm not sure about it. Check it, okay? So now can we go for the page by page revision now? Yes. Shall we start? Can you name any 2 pulses? Can you name any 2 pulses? Can you name any 2 pulses? Pulses, Trinity, pulses. Trinity, you are giving? Yes. Anyone? Peas, green gram, very good. Groundnut, very good. Yes. So we have seen 2 types of fiber crop, I think. Can you give me the 2 medicinal crop? Can you give me 2 medicinal crop, children? I will be asking the objectives from the book only. So don't rely only on the objectives given in the book bag, the end of the lesson. Okay. So kindly go through the book, go through the content. I'll be asking from inside the book only, children. Okay. So 2 medicinal crops, very good. Tulasi, aloe vera, mint. Okay. Neem, karpuravalli. Okay, very good. So you know many. At least 2 you have to give. Okay. So can you give me 2 oil seeds? 2 oil seeds. Oil seeds. Sesame, very good. Sesame. Can write coconut, groundnut. Okay, very good. Mustard. Yes, any two. Okay. So mustard, sesame, coconut, groundnut. Very good. Okay. So I think you know enough about rabi and kharif crops, isn't it? Name two kharif crops, children. Name two kharif crops. Harish, gingerly oil is got from sesame only. Olive, very good, very good. Very good, Swaminathan, olive. Okay. So two kharif, wheat and wheat is not a kharif crop. Paddy is a kharif crop. Yes, very good. Maize. Okay. Paddy and maize. Cotton. Very good. Yes. Paddy, maize, cotton, groundnut, millet, soya bean. These are the kharif crops. Okay, repeat once again. Paddy, maize, millet, cotton, soya bean, groundnut are the kharif crops. Okay. Now name one implement used for harvesting. I think yesterday too you got the question in quiz. Sickle, very good, very good. For harvesting, you can write sickle and you can even write combine. If I say implement, it's sickle. Okay, very good. Yes. Next question. Name one, give one advantage of ploughing. Give one advantage of ploughing. Why do we have to plough the field? Give one advantage of ploughing. Meaning of horticulture. Horticulture is growing fruits, vegetables and flowers. To destroy the lump of soil. It's not destroy. It would be nutritious. Yes, soil will be loosened. Very good. To remove the weed. Very good, Dhanmalia. Yes, very good, Cali. For root to move very easily. Very good, very good. Yes. It loosens the soil. It helps the roots to move very easily. Yes, it is used to remove the weeds. So earthworm and other microorganisms can live comfortably. Very good. It will turn the soil and make the soil fertile. So you have so many advantages. You can write any one advantage if it is asked. Okay. Yes, it is used to prepare the soil before cultivating. Very good. Okay. Very good, Divya. Very good. Diya. Very good, Diya. Okay. Then so when you select you one method you follow while selecting the seed, while sowing the seed. What precaution you follow while sowing the seed? Any one precaution before sowing the seed. Now we are going to. No, I'm not asking the method, Dhanamalia. I'm asking when you have decided to sow the seed today. So before sowing, what you will look for? What you will look for? Before sowing the seed, select good soil, okay? Now, John, you have selected the soil, you have prepared the soil. Very good, Pugalendi. You will select the seed. How? How, Pugalendi? Harish, leveling and ploughing is over. Now we are going to sow the seed. So what you will do? Yes. Yes, John, you have to select the seed of good, very good, Sanjana. The seed should be of good quality. Very good. The seed should be of good quality. You will test the seed. Okay, how you can test the seed? Yes, very good, Salve. You should choose the correct depth. Very good. Correct depth should be there. Moreover, the seed should be sown in proper distance. Should be sown in proper distance. Okay. Okay. Next comes the irrigation, Kanishka. Okay. Now, name two methods of sowing the seeds now. Name two methods of sowing the seeds. Two methods. Very good, Trinity. Broadcasting. Yes, very good. It is hand method, broadcasting. Manual method is broadcasting. Very good. One more method. And one more method using seed drill. Okay, so broadcasting method and seed drill. The two methods of sowing the seed is broadcasting and seed drill. Got it? The two methods are broadcasting and seed drill. Yes, children? Okay. Now the next is, how can we replenish the soil nutrient? How can we bring back the soil? Children, I think time is up.